students who join online. So that's why I sent the link to them in case they want to join, so that they can join. Okay? So this class is a catch-up class because like you, three of you, you are not here when we introduced the classes. That is why we say our closing date is tomorrow, because we will not have time for any more delays. The other ones, you have to make sure that at least you pay good attention where you missed out. How are you, Manti? 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 Okay. Okay, the line is not fine. Okay, so our starting point, it's the geometry. Geometrical construction. So that's where we'll start from geometrical construction. Do you have where to write? Assistant. Okay. Okay, so you guys online, what you are doing, there are some other students who missed this lesson. So I'm redoing the geometrical construction where we started. If you are fine, you can proceed with your work, but if you want to learn again, you are free to join. Okay. So our objectives for this lesson, we need to make sure we understand how to construct, how to do bisecting. So when we do bisecting, we look at line and the angle. That is number one. Number two, so we need to understand how to bisect a line, how to bisect an angle. These are basics where you start from. Then we need also to understand how to draw parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. And also application of parallel lines. Why do we need parallel lines? So that is the application. We need to understand what's the application of these parallel lines. We proceed to circles in contact, then ellipse, then the polygons. I know some, more especially the last two, we might not be able to do them this lesson, but we need to make sure that this is covered for you to be able to do the work on plane geometry, on geometrical construction. So we'll start from bisecting. We'll start from bisecting. How do we bisect a line? Then how do we bisect an angle? You need to understand bisecting is how do you cut something into two equal sides. Bisecting is to cut maybe an object into two equal sides. Okay? So that is where we start from. So on bisecting, let's say I have a line I want to bisect line AB, and this line is AB equals 50 millimeters. So line AB is 50 millimeters. I want to bisect it. I want to bisect it. How do I bisect it? Can I have the compass? So in our bisecting, when all of you have these instruments, we hope they will sort out their system. This is a compass you use. This is the most important tool in your work. Okay? You open your compass from A to B. This sharp point sits either on A, then the pencil makes an arc on B. Then you turn the other side. So this is the compass you use. Okay, when I say compass, I mean this. Okay. So you need to work with construction lines. I'm using red, green, and blue as construction lines. Then I'm using black for outlining. Construction, these are very faint lines. Huh? To you who are not there when we're introducing line types, we have got construction line, very faint line, outlining line, dark line, but slightly thick. Then we have got center lines. You will know them as we go. Because of the time, we will not go to those basics. The video will be shared to you, okay? So that you can see the line types. Even the books, everything is there, okay? So, construction is very faint line. Your drawing must be made of faint lines. You only make dark lines after you are finished. You know this is my answer, then make it dark. So, you open your compass from A to B, the compass I showed you, this one, A to B. And you draw an arc. So you are here, open, draw an arc. Then you move your compass to B, put it at B, open to A, and draw the opposite arc. Okay? Once you get these two crossing points of the arc, those are the points you use to join so that you can come up with a bisecting line. So you join from there to there. It means we have bisected line AB. And the bisecting line is this one. Is that clear? Now it might look to say, why are we learning about this? All these small things I'm explaining, they are building blocks to the actual work you're going to be doing. So you need to understand these basics. Is that clear? Is there any question? Okay. So that is on bisecting of a line. Let's look at the angle. Bisecting of an angle. So you have, so this is angle. Let's say you have a line and they say draw an angle of 60 degrees, then you bisect the angle. Draw an angle, so you have line AB. Draw an angle of 60 degrees, then what? Bisect. After I draw the angle 60 degrees, bisect it. Again, take your compass. Take your compass, open it to the size of your choice. Open this compass to the size of your choice. Reasonable choice. Come to this point A, draw an arc. Then come to this point where the arc is crossing X. The same length you had, the same length you used to draw an arc, maintain it, don't change it. Huh? Maintain it. Come to X and cut that line. Once you maintain the radius, once you maintain this radius, you use it there. It means the angle you have drawn is 60 degrees. So, you draw a line passing through that point to give you a 60 degrees angle. That is how you draw 60 degrees angle. You open the compass, draw an arc, same size, come to X, cut, then it gives you the angle of 60 degrees. Now we need to bisect this angle. I'll say this is Y. This is our X. Put your compass at X, open it to Y. At X, open it to Y, and draw an arc. Put your compass at Y, open it to X, draw an arc. We are doing that, what now? Bisecting the angle 60 degrees. So I'll draw a line from here and pass there, and this is the bisecting line. It has cut the angle 60 degrees into two equal parts. Bisecting line. Okay? So we have done the bisecting of a line, bisecting of the angle. Is there any question? Any question? We are fine, eh? So do we understand how to bisect? Okay.